If someone has sent you an Interac e-transfer and you're not sure how to accept it, this video will walk you through the entire process step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to receive the money and deposit it into your bank account. Let's get started. First, open the email or text message that you received notifying you about the e-transfer. Inside the message, you'll see a link to accept the transfer. Tap or click that link to continue. Once the page opens, you may see a bank already selected by default. If your bank isn't listed, look for the option that says Select Different Institution and click on it. You'll now see a list of banks and credit unions. Most major Canadian banks will appear near the top of the list. If you don't see your institution right away, scroll down through the complete list until you find it. Once you've located your bank, select it. After selecting your bank, you'll typically see two options: Open Mobile App or Open Web Browser. If you have your bank's mobile app installed on your phone, choosing Open Mobile App is usually the easiest option. Tap that option and allow your device to open the banking app when prompted. If you're using a computer or don't have the banking app installed, you can choose Open Web Browser instead. Next, you'll be asked to sign in to your online banking account. Enter your login credentials and complete any security verification required by your bank. After signing in, you'll be shown details about the transfer, including who sent the money and the amount being sent. Take a moment to verify that everything looks correct. If the information matches what you were expecting, click Accept. On the next screen, you'll be asked to answer the security question associated with the transfer. The person who sent you the money should have provided the answer separately. Enter the correct answer carefully. Remember that security answers are often case sensitive, so make sure you type it exactly as provided. Once the answer is accepted, you'll be asked to choose the account where you want the money deposited. This could be your checking account, savings account, or another eligible account. Select the account you want to use and then click Continue. You'll now arrive at the review screen. This is your final opportunity to confirm the deposit details before completing the transaction. Double check that the correct account is selected and that the transfer amount is correct. If everything looks good, click Deposit. The transfer will then be processed, and you'll see a confirmation screen showing that the deposit was successful. At this point, the e-transfer has been accepted and the money has been deposited into your account. One quick tip before we finish: if you regularly receive e-transfers, consider setting up auto deposit through your bank. With auto deposit enabled, money can be deposited directly into your account without needing to answer a security question each time. And that's it. You've successfully accepted an Interac e-transfer. If this guide helped you, be sure to subscribe to Guides and Beyond for more simple step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.